All right, I wanted to do a 2-month review and answer a few of the questions that I've been getting about this EG4 hybrid mini split sold by Signature Solar. This is the exterior unit of the 2400 BTU model. Under this cover here is a 220 connection, as well as two MC4 connections right from the factory, so it makes it really easy to connect your solar. Got my solar disconnect here, and you see the lines that run to the interior unit and the lines that run up to the solar power on the roof. It did not come with this cover. If you need something like that, I'll leave a link in the description below. But the install was pretty straightforward. The instructions were pretty easy. Let's go ahead and go inside and check out the inside unit. All right, here's the interior unit. This was pretty easy to install. It comes with a bracket that you hang on the wall. You have to drill a 4-inch hole to run your lines to the exterior unit. But the instructions were very clear, and it was fairly easy to do. Took about an hour. One of the questions that I get is, can this thing run off of just solar? And the answer is yes. About a day after I got this installed, I turned the breaker off because I was curious of that myself. And I haven't had the breaker back on all summer long. I installed this in mid-July, and it's been keeping this shop at 68 degrees cool the entire summer off of just solar. On the roof I have 6 400-watt panels, and it only uses not even half of the power that those panels can produce, but that's probably a good thing because wintertime we get less sun. And I imagine heat will take a little more energy to keep this place warm, so we'll do a winter update and let you know how that's going. But it's been running great for the last 2 months, and it has just been a game changer out here in the shop. In fact, I'll be honest, sometimes I'd rather hang out here than in the house, just because it keeps it cool. It's been doing a great job. We'll go inside the app in a moment. But inside the app I have it timed so that it comes on in the morning and shuts off in the evening, so it's using the least amount of power possible. My goal with this unit, you can see here, is the old furnace that we had. And we had a window unit trying to keep it cool in the summer. And that old furnace was costing me a lot of money, keeping this place warm over the winter. The thing about this shop is it's also the pump house for my home, and so I have to keep it temperature controlled to be able to have my pipes and my well and all that equipment not freeze. And so that furnace, this old guy, ran all winter long, and it was costing us quite a bit. So my goal with this is to cut that bill down, and so far with the AC, obviously, I'm not having to pay for any of that at this point, other than the upfront cost, right? But we'll see how it does this winter. I'll do a winter update, but let's go into the app and I'll show you how great that is. All right, here we are inside the app. The first thing I'd like to note is that the app that it takes you to in the owner's manual did not work for me. I had to call Signature Solar, and they gave me the link to an app that works with this unit, and they were very helpful. It worked out really good. And the nice thing about this app, this is the Smartlife app, and it will run other things besides this air conditioning mini split unit. Inside the app, you can see what you're drawing. You can see we're drawing from the panels about 860 watts right now, and nothing from the grid. You can control all your features as well as set up a schedule, which is really nice for conserving energy. I'll back up and show you a few of the other things that this app will do. I have it set up to run plugs and light bulbs, and I could turn all of this on and off from my phone anywhere that I'm at that I have Wi-Fi connection or cell service, including my thermostat. So that was a nice feature that I didn't expect. I picked up those products afterwards because of this app. I was able to run more than just the unit, which was a big pro for me. Worked out really good. All right, well, this has been my 2-month review of the EG4 mini split from Signature Solar. This is the 2400 BTU model. It's been a game changer for me. My shop was hot and muggy before, and now it's nice and cool. I purchased this from Signature Solar. Signature Solar has not compensated me. This is a honest, upfront review of a product that I bought. It has been great, and if you're thinking about getting it, it's been totally worth it for me. Thanks for joining me. I'll do a winter update and let you know how things are going then.